Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making it safe and reversible. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 1 minute so airbags and electronics reset. Once done, remove the central trim using a plastic pry tool. There are 4 clips and 2 hidden T20 screws under plastic covers. Make sure to label each electrical connector and take clear photos as you detach them. This prevents confusion later and speeds reassembly. You're beginning with minimal steps that control risk and preserve fragile tabs and harnesses. Now you move into the complex middle phase. Back out the glove box and lower dash fasteners, typically 6 Phillips and 2 T30 bolts, so the lower shell can drop. Once exposed, unbolt HVAC ducts and carefully detach instrument cluster harnesses. Don't yank on wires, press release tabs. At this point, support the dashboard weight with a jack and soft pad. Make sure to disconnect any ground straps before lifting the dash slightly to free upper mounting points. This prevents torque on connectors and avoids stress damage. Finish by removing the remaining top bolts and A-pillar fasteners, then tilt the dash forward gently while watching for caught wires. You must disconnect airbags only after the battery has been isolated and wait the recommended time. Handle modules upright and store them away from static or heavy objects. Once free, lift the dash out with help 2 people. If the dash resists, stop and look for hidden clips or missed screws. 90% of holdups are overlooked fasteners, so recheck mounting points before forcing anything.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.